Hey everyone, how's it going? First off, I want to apologize for being inconsistent on this channel. I almost forgot I even had a tutorial channel for a while there. But I'm back, and this time I've upgraded my tutorials with voiceovers to make everything easier to follow and understand. In today's tutorial, we're going to be covering scene compositing, and I'll be breaking everything down step by step, so stick with me. There are 5 main stages to turning a boring scene into something cinematic. Stage 1. Base correction. This is where you fix the original scene. Adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, and white balance to create a clean foundation for everything that comes next. Stage 2. Atmosphere. Now it's time to add mood. This can include fog, smoke, dust, particles, rain, snow, clouds, or any environmental effects that help bring the scene to life. Stage 3. Lighting. Lighting is what gives a scene depth and impact. Add rim lights, glows, god rays, bloom, lens flares, shadows, and light wraps to shape the overall look. Stage 4. Color grading. This is where you establish the emotional tone of the scene. Stage 5. Final polish. Finally, add the finishing touches. Sharpening, film grain, chromatic aberration, vignettes, motion blur, and other subtle details help tie everything together. So, do you want your scene to look something like this? Then let's get started. Now, follow along closely and pay attention to each step. If there are any stages you're already familiar with, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps I've provided in the description. That way, you can jump straight to the parts you need most. If you'd like to learn how to remove backgrounds from your videos, be sure to check out Noel's tutorial. I've left the link in the description below. It's quick, easy to follow, and should help you get started in no time. Another thing before I forget, if you're working with a time remapped clip or scene, it's very important to time remap any moving background footage as well. Otherwise, the motion won't match, and the final result can look awkward and uncoordinated. I personally like to stick to one or two main theme colors. In my experience, using too many colors can make a scene feel messy, especially if you're still learning the fundamentals of color grading. For colors like purple, red, or blue, I often recommend pairing them with white when it fits the scene. It helps create better visual focus and gives the composition a cleaner, more polished look. That's exactly why I chose a purple and white color scheme for this scene. Blue could have worked too, considering the original color palette, but I felt that purple and white delivered a stronger cinematic atmosphere. To make things easier for you, I've also shared some compositing materials that you can use in your own projects. They'll help speed up your workflow and give you a solid starting point. You can find the download link in the description below. By the way, I'll also be making another tutorial on how to create the depth map effect the easy way. No Google Collab, no websites, and no complicated setup. Just a few clicks, and you're done. If that's something you'd like to see, let me know in the comments, and I'll get that tutorial out as soon as possible. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you're done compositing your clip or scene, you can go ahead and apply your preferred color correction to achieve the look you're aiming for. And for stage 5, don't forget to enhance the quality after exporting your project. A little sharpening and final cleanup can make a huge difference in the overall result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel and lets me know what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.